Afternoon to you. It's July 3rd, 2011 here from high above Lennoxtown, Eastern Bartonshire in Scotland. The sun is shining now, folks. We've got a beautiful day indeed here across the majority of Scotland as well as the rest of the UK. Clear skies this morning are giving way to some patchy fair weather cumulus clouds as that land starts to heat up. It drives those thermals, and of course we get some patchy fair weather clouds. No showers to speak of today. Temperatures at the house before I left rose and was sitting at 71 degrees. That's around 21.6 Celsius and rising. We'll probably get another several degrees out of that today. We could be perhaps 75 to 77 Fahrenheit today. The changes that have taken place, we had a trough, a cool pocket of air up in the upper levels of the atmosphere, folks, and that was creating the cloudy days, showery conditions. We had that surface high pressure, so we've seen some pretty comfortable daytime temperatures over the past few days, but that atmosphere is now capped. We've got upper level high pressure, so the 3,000 foot elevation air has now warmed up enough that the skies are struggling to create cloud cover, and we're seeing those warmer conditions. Over the next few days we're going to see evenings as well, a bit milder as well. That ceiling of warmer air now is trapping the daytime heat at the surface, and therefore it can't escape back to space at night. So instead of having lows in the 5 to 7 Celsius range, we could be having over the next few nights temperatures struggling to get down below 16 Celsius. So that's around 60 Fahrenheit. In the next few days, folks, we're going to find the temperatures increase. Tomorrow is going to be that wee bit warmer across all of the UK. Temperatures even in the central belt of Scotland that has always been unfortunately on the wrong side of the ridge this summer so far. So when temperatures across the south of England has been blasting into the upper 20s, that's into the low to mid 80s Fahrenheit, Scotland has been left out in the cold, so to speak. But the ridge of high pressure is over us today. We can enjoy this warm sunny weather, and we're going to find in the coming days, as temperatures start to increase across the south of England, we've actually got surface low pressure then arriving in from the Atlantic across Scotland. So as of Tuesday, it looks like the European model is predicting a return to clouds, pretty persistent rainfall and cooler temperatures in association with the cloud cover. The south of England holding on to those warm temperatures. London perhaps by Tuesday or Wednesday, before the low pressure system then incorporates all of the UK, we could be talking temperatures pushing 30 Celsius in the coming days. So enjoy the warm weather. There is more unsettled cooler conditions set to arrive again across the UK, and what we're going to find is over the next month or so, I am predicting after the 20th of this month that a potential heat wave could be brewing. I've no model guidance to suggest that, however that's my own personal prediction, and I do think later on down the road as we progress into August that it could be a warmer, more settled month as that upper level steering winds start to slow down the ridge trough cycle. It's been a very progressive pattern so far this summer, and I do believe as we hit the midpoint and progress into the latter part of the summer, we could be seeing better weather here in Scotland as well as the rest of the UK and Western Europe. The drought over France could be one of the byproducts to make a bias towards high pressure across the western part of Europe in the latter part of summer. So stand here from just over, this is basically Lennox Forest here, the village of Lennoxtown, the Campsie Fells in the background on a beautiful day. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend, folks. Bye for now.